Here we have our list of words that we use to encode and decode. On the left here, you can see we have 16 words. They're all 8 characters long, which means there will be 64 bits, and they're all uppercase letters. On the right, we have a binary representation of all of these words. These last 64 bits are the bits that represent each of the characters in the word, and this one bit before decides if we're going to encode or decode the words. These last 16 lines are the same as the first 16, except they are the encoded versions of the first 16 words, and we decode them by passing in a 0 as the first bit.
Looking at our model sim waveforms, you see initially we redline due to the clock cycle initializing. Once that happens, we begin reading our values in from ROM, as you can see in the top 3 lines. We read designer and fraction. We read designer on the 0th clock cycle, fraction on the first, and so on. Then, as you see in the bottom waveforms, we begin writing to RAM, starting at the last clock cycle of 0, which you can see its encoded version on the bottom line there. This process is going to continue for both encoding and decoding our values. The first 16, as stated before, were the values we wish to encode, and the last values are the values we wish to decode, which is seen here in our waveforms.